1999 Series 2 JZX100 in factory blue. The car's been fully resprayed and the collar's been adjusted a bit, so it's not as they look from standard. It's factory manual, but it's converted to 2JZ GTE, VVTi and V161 out of a Toyota Supra. It's got work VSXX wheels, 18 by 9 and 18 by 10 under the rear, with 235 tyres and 265 tyres. It's got all the aero is factory Series 2, except for the boot wing lip. This car didn't have a wing from standard like they usually do. It was no holes drilled boot from the factory. It's got the OEM optional Toyota roof wing, which is quite rare. If you look under the bonnet, you can see it's not 1JZ anymore. It's got the 2JZ GTE VVTi. So inside it's got Wiseco 86mm pistons, Manly rods, ACL race series bearings, ARP head studs, rod bolts and main studs. It's got custom oil cap, speed flow oil cap. It's got custom speed flow fittings for the custom catch can, which it doesn't really need because it's a JZ, not a RB. TRD strut brace. It's got a 6-boost manifold with a Turbo Smart 50mm wastegate. It's got a Borg Warner 8374 turbo with a custom 4-inch intake with a K&N pod filter. It's got a Koyo Type S radiator with custom hard pipe radiator pipe. It's got a Turbo Smart FPR 1200 fuel pressure regulator up the back. It's got HKS coilovers. It's got a Grady LS intercooler kit, you can see there. It's been modified to suit the 2JZ better. The engine management is a Link Fury ECU with a LSU 4.9 wideband sensor and a Haltex E-Flex sensor. And that's about it. It's also got a TRD LSD diff with a brand new 3.5 ratio gears to suit the Getrag transmission better because it's a very short ratio gearbox. Brand new headlights with carbon fibre inserts, you might not be able to see it. Avante brand new grille, Series 2. It's got a Kakamoto R exhaust system. So inside you can see it's got the custom carbon fibre TRD steering wheel. So this steering wheel originally was just a regular TRD steering wheel. I've wrapped in carbon fibre and Italian Napa leather and red stitching, so it matches the rest of the interior. You can see from the cluster it's got the factory Series 2 cluster, but it's got the TRD speedo, 320k speedo. It's got Evo Recaros, you can see there. It's the Series 2 model, so it's got the factory black interior as opposed to the Series 1, which is grey. You can see the Getrag gear stick with the lockout for reverse. It's got an OS Geek and TR2 CD clutch, twin disc, that's why you can hear it rattle. And the cat